Welcome to my channel. What is the worst things you have to swallow? Do you have to swallow something that it tastes so bad? They told you to take it or else. I will show you a simple trick to drinking raw ginger. Vinegar to prevent bacteria. You see, I have a dilemma. Choose one, blue pill or red pill. I got to watch the Matrix movie again because I didn't want to swallow raw ginger. Mix raw ginger with honey, orange juice, fruit smoothie, tons of other recipes, but that prolonged my taste bud suffrage, brain inflammations. This method worked for me. Add water. First, ginger drink on an empty stomach in the morning before breakfast. Second, ginger drink before lunch. Third, ginger drink before dinner. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.